Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, The Knowledge Hub. In this video today we are going to learn the life cycle of a frog. So come on, let's go. What are the main objectives of this video? The first one is identify and describe the four stages of a frog's life, and the second is explain how frogs grow and change, and the third is describe interesting facts about frogs. So in my videos you are going to learn about the interesting facts also, so please, if you like my channel, then please subscribe to it. So here you can see the diagram of frogs life cycle. Okay, from egg to adult, frogs go through an incredible transformation. They start as eggs in the water, grow into tadpoles with tails, transform into froglets with legs, and finally become adult frogs. So here you can see the four stages. The first stage is eggs, and the second is tadpoles, and the third is froglets with legs, and then they become the adult frogs. Here comes the stage 1, egg. The life of a frog begins in the water, whereas female frogs lay their eggs. Frogs eggs are usually found in clusters and are protected by a jelly-like substance. These eggs contain tiny embryos, which are the first step in creating a new frog. So here you can see the diagram of the eggs. These are in clusters. Clusters are nothing but together. Groups, you can find in groups, and then here the egg is surrounded by a substance which is jelly in nature, so those will protect the embryos which are present in the eggs. So next we'll learn about the stage 2. Baby frogs emerge, but they don't look like frogs yet. They are called tadpoles. Tadpoles have long tails and no legs, and they look more like fish than frogs. They swim around in the water and breathe through gills, just like fish do. So here you can see the tadpole stage. Here it looks similar like to the fish, and the fish how it takes breathing with the gills, same as it is the frogs will also breathe through gills. Frogs are both terrestrial animals and also aquatic animals. They can live on land and as well as in the water. Now coming to the third stage, that is froglet. As tadpoles grow, they start to look more like frogs, and we call them froglets. Froglets develop legs and their tails begin to shrink as they become less dependent on the water. They start learning to breathe through lungs instead of gills. So in this stage, it similarly looks to the frog, but here they have tails. Why? Because in this stage, their tails will shrink and their legs will form. Now, coming to the fourth and the final stage of frogs. And the last stage is adult frog. When their tails are completely gone and their legs are fully formed, they become adult frogs. Adult frogs are adopted for life on land, though they still spend time in water. At this stage, they are ready to begin the life cycle all over again by finding a mate and laying eggs. So this is the last and final stage. Here the adult frog is formed. Now they are ready to begin their new life by laying eggs. So I already told you these are both terrestrial and also aquatic animals. In this stage also they can live into the water as well. So here is the summary. Frogs grow through four important stages in the life cycle: eggs, tadpole, froglet, and adult frog. At each stage, frogs experience unique changes that help them grow and adapt to their surroundings. Next we'll go and we'll learn the fun facts of frog. So there are mainly four fun facts. The first is frogs have long sticky tongues that allow them to catch insects quickly. Some frogs can leap up to 20 times their body length in a single jump. Frogs have unique sounds and calls that help them attract mates. And the fourth and the last is, besides using lungs, frogs breathe through their skin. So they can breathe through gills, and then they can breathe through their lungs, and then they can breathe through their skin as well. So these are the 4 stages of the frogs, and this is the life cycle of a frog. If you have any questions, then comment below. I'll answer them in my next video. If you like my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.